Hello guys, today I will gonna showing in this video how to this color grade in 13 seconds. So simple and easy tricks I learn you how to this color grade. So let's get started. Simply first of all import your photo in Photoshop. Then click image, then click mode, then click lap color. Now simply go to layer panel, click channel, click a layer. Control plus A, Control plus cut, Control plus C. Simply click B layer, Control plus B. Simply you will paste this layer. Okay, now you can click left this layer. Now you can click layer. Now we can go to select, deselect. Okay, now you can go to image, mode, RGB color. Now click this layer panel under here, click vibrance, just a high. So finally this color grade complete in photo. So please subscribe and like in my video. Okay, thank you watching for the video.